In this video, I am going to show you how to create a TikTok Ads account. As TikTok has turned into a shop entertainment platform, businesses of all scale have recognized the potential of TikTok Ads, started to unlock the platform's magic capabilities. The TikTok Ads Manager account is the starting point for spreading your creativity, establishing meaningful connections with new customers, and driving increased traffic to your website. Here are the steps to create a TikTok Ads Manager account. First step is very simple. You just need to access TikTok Ads Manager's sign-up page to create your account. You can register an account by using your email address or phone number. After completing, you need to accept TikTok Ads terms and conditions and then click Sign Up. TikTok will automatically send a verification code to your email. To create an account on TikTok Ads, some basic information related to your business is required, including business name, industry, country or region, currency, time zone, and phone. Click Continue when you complete this page and check your information carefully and accept TikTok terms. At this step, you will also need to confirm your phone number with the verification code. After finishing the register step, you can access account info under your account settings from the dashboard presented. In this step, there is some specific information about your business that you need to complete, including company website, industry, street address, state or province, and postal code, along with business verification. You can choose between two payment types, manual payment and automatic payment. However, TikTok doesn't offer automatic payment for all markets at all this time. After filling in all the information on the account setup page, you just need to click Submit at the bottom of the page, and TikTok will review your account information and you have to wait up to 24 hours. In case your TikTok Ads Manager account is not quickly approved, you can definitely want to claim an account review. Once your account has been approved, you have successfully set up your TikTok Ads Manager account. You can start running your TikTok ad campaign and broaden your brand's reach to a large community of TikTok users. And that's it, guys. Simple as that. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.